everyone, welcome back to my channel Myra's Creation. Today I am here with unboxing video of modern art The Magic of Mandala by Little Star. On the box we have shown file folder, eco-friendly bag, designer wallpaper, writing pad, nameplate and mousepad. The price is $5.99 only. On the back side of the box, all contents in the kit are mentioned. This product is Swadeshi and a good gift for 6+ age kids. Let's check out what's in this. It is a file folder template, gift bag template, nameplate, base, family tree template, designer frames cutout. This is a writing pad. There is a timetable sheet, baggage tag, CD pocket template, mousepad. Other items are colors, paintbrush, Fevicol, toothpicks, cotton subbing, bag handles,